In this video, you'll learn how to access your command center, manage your cameras, view pictures, and set up notifications. To access your command center on a computer, open a web browser and visit my.yellowstone.ai. To activate your first camera, click on Activate New Camera. After activating your first camera, you can continue to use your computer if you want, but most customers prefer our app, which you can download onto your phone or tablet by searching for Yellowstone.ai Command Center in your App Store or Google Play Store. No matter what device you use, your command center will have pages for cameras, media, and support. On the cameras page, you can view battery level, signal strength, and data usage. To manage your camera, click the three dots. If you want your phone to ding or vibe for each new picture that your camera sends, turn on app notifications. To rename your camera, simply touch the camera name, update it, and click Done to lock in the new name. To change plans, click on Plan and select a new plan. To pause your data plan for the off-season, turn your plan to Canceled, and when you're ready to reactivate next season, simply reselect your desired data plan. Camera and cellular settings allow you to update things like motion sensor sensitivity, set an on-off schedule, set up multi-shot burst, time-lapse intervals, and much more. If your camera is taking too many pictures or not enough pictures, sometimes simply restoring factory settings can help. We make this easy for you to do. Your Media tab is your repository for all of your pictures. To delete one or many pictures, click Select, then either select all or manually click on each picture you want to delete. To zoom in, click on any picture, then click Share to send this picture to all of your contacts. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't hesitate to reach out if we can be of assistance.